next up was Apple TV.
Into the depths.
And Apple TV, they actually so Apple TV, they announced that it's going to be launching November 1st in 100 plus countries. Actually, they didn't. Oh, the Apple Arcade's coming September 19th, where they're going to get most of the games in 150 countries. Apple TV, that's going to be their streaming service that they have going, that they're going to have exclusive titles like The Morning Show with Steve Carell and Jennifer Aniston. They have Dickinson with Haley Steinfeld, like a young Emily Dickinson kind of story. And then they have this, what we're going to be seeing a trailer for is a show called Sea with Jason Momoa, who's Aquaman, where about like a civilization that like all of humanity went blind, and now it's like they're back to like these tribal times, and it's pretty interesting. And this is the trailer for that I thought was pretty cool.
Centuries from now, almost all humans have lost the ability to see. Some say sight was taken from them by God to heal the earth. For the few who remain, vision is only a myth. But after so many years, the power of sight has returned.
What is it? Something's different. The children, they have the ability to see.
My children, they have power that we would call magical or evil.
We must protect them.
For centuries, we feared this day would come.
The evil of light once almost destroyed the world.
And now it has returned. Find the children who can see
And brings them to me.
So it's them being hunted, children that can see being hunted, and it looks really cool. It kind of reminds me of the 100, where you have like this group of people trying to just survive against, and just be alive. And the whole idea of everybody being blind is pretty unique. But that's the kind of shows that will be coming to Apple TV, which it's pretty premium kind of shows. And that also is going to be launching at $4.99 per month for the family plan.
All right. So for about $10 a month, you could get both if you were in the Apple ecosystem. That doesn't seem too unreasonable.
Mm-hmm. They also said that if you buy like a new Apple product, like a new device, that you actually they're going to be equipped, most of the Apple products, with 1 year of free YouTube TV, or not YouTube, Apple TV.
Oh, okay.